Hi, this is Chris with the Nellis Group, and welcome to Signal Hill. This Burke, Virginia neighborhood features almost 500 single-family homes, mostly with 3 to 5 bedrooms that were built in the late 1970s. The original section of the community is like a blast from the past, with stylish, retro, and classic original architecture you have to drive by to see. The community, located less than 20 miles from D.C., is conveniently set right across from Lake Braddock Secondary School and just around the corner from the on-ramp to I-495. Commuting is a breeze with the HOV lanes on the Beltway, but many residents choose the traffic-free route and take the VRE commuter train from Rolling Road Station, which is less than 2 miles away. The community bus stop on Burke Lake Road also provides direct access to the Pentagon and the Metro there. The neighborhood is quietly tucked away, with 2 common areas and trails for residents to enjoy. And the nearby Lake Accotink Park is packed with activities. Wakefield Rec Center is right around the corner and features a skate park, sports fields, and an indoor fitness and aquatic center. Public school students will attend Ravensworth Elementary and can go right across the street to Lake Braddock Secondary School. There is also a library next to the school. For quick groceries or food, residents can go half a mile to the Kings Park Shopping Center, but there are plenty of other local options just a short drive away. Spartan's Family Restaurant, Kilroy's, and the Springfield Whole Foods are community favorites, and hopping on 495 for shopping and dining at Springfield Town Center or Tyson's Corner is easy as can be. If you are looking to buy, sell, invest, or just learn more about the area around Signal Hill, contact the Nellis Group Burke Community Specialist today. The Nellis Group has been serving the DC metro area and Burke since 1983. To learn more about why we were named one of Washingtonian Magazine's top teams, call us or visit nellisgroup.com.